Yeah, now my people, welcome back to Make Sense. You know what I mean? I say if it makes sense, short, make sense. You see me? Yeah, today I know the topic what we are talking about is the topic about grind, You see me? Yeah man, same thing we then call fuck. Yeah man. Yeah. And me choose to talk about a topic here because something just cross a while ago, a little judgment, you see. You know? With her tail in her back. I mean, no say. Because she start to taste hood. Make she a go on so. You know? Yeah. You see the thing where them call, where you see man carry man. Where them call hood. Jesus Christ, man. That is a dangerous rascal sitting that, you know. Yeah. No joke about it. You see me? Yeah man, and I'm going to tell you why I know say who that one dangerous sitting, you know. You see me? You see if you have a little girl, you know what I mean? Probably 13, 14, then age there. You see if you make that little girl start to broke out and start to feel good. You can't control him again, you know? No! You cannot control him again. I don't know what hood could I do. To them a little girl I may tell you about from the moment you see them a little girl that start to taste good, may I tell you about. Jesus Christ. Hey, I said the other day, I did a barber shop in for Cambridge there, the barber. A brother named Mark. I tell me saying the other night in there one place near Stonehenge. You see me? And the G say a brother tell him say man, you know say the other night me park up my car. My brother have one old 111, you know. You see me? Yeah. The man say him park up in car I want to party with him have up there and he gone over one part, they gonna beat up two juice and thing. And the man say when he come back in the house at night there, you know, he's a man he see, you know, have one girl in the midline bonnet. A rammer. You know what I mean? Yeah. And the man say to he astonished and surprised to see a man could have really have a girl. He not the hope in this up and in car bonnet. All he have to say to him man say man, you can't grind in a midline bonnet, you know man. It better you go over the side towards where you see the light there. You know? Yeah. Because the man understands say man, I just a vibe, you know. The judgment there and she want the hood, you know man, and any way part he there, you know, and when he wish she can get it, you know. At this so she have to go get it, you know, and at this so you know? Yeah. The thing just come down upon them man, and when it come down they have to just do what they have to do, you know. You see me? Believe you me, say some places where man and woman go when time they want to grind, you know. Yeah, tell you man. No joke about it man. When they see some judgment man and they want them grind, you know. You can't tell them nothing, you know, if you is a man, you know, and you have your woman and you can't service her, you know. Tell all England say you know have no peace in your yard, that's why you see all a man that take Viagra is the hey. Right now if you want to make money, just start to sell Viagra. Yeah. Start sell Viagra man. You don't have to sell no weed. You see me, you don't have to sell nothing illegal. Just start to sell Viagra. Jesus Christ, if you start sell because what you pray now. When a woman, hey, one songwriter, you know, Adidja Palmer Vibes Cartel yesterday, you know, he say when girl want body, you know, if you was work, stop work, you know. And if you was study, stop study. Because you see when time a woman want her service, you better available, you know. Yeah. You better available because if you don't have available any party, they not charge you. You see me? A woman a go out, they go get it, you know. This hood where you see there, you know. That's why you see. The Chinese them realize say hood is so special to the woman that a man stay some woman and start to build falsehood, you know. Yeah, man. So, when you see a man can't perform, you know, man, and the woman want her hood, you know. You see me? Because there are some women where I hold on to their pride and to their dignity way. You know? Instead of she go carry front go get to one other man, you know. She just go down a China go buy one dildo, you know. Yeah, and the Chinese they build all size. You know? Yeah, man. The Chinese they build all size, man, so a woman can get her satisfaction. You know? Yeah. But me I tell you, man, say appearance, I be careful when tiny had a little girl pick me, man. You see me? Because if they ever make the mistake and love the little girl pick me and me, she start the experience holding on. Jesus Christ, you can't talk to them again. Me say they little body in a song, yeet, you know. Yeah, let me not see it already. Me see it already, you know. I remember, you know. When me at 20 years of age, you know, man, me go check one of my Blue Bridge, you know. You see me over line of parish one at a time, you know, and me I tell you, so me go there and me see one little one judgment, you know. Dead. You see me in a little community there and thing, and me as a new nigga, me come in a place and thing, and me drop there and me see judgment and me ask me little nigga say, how that? And the G tell me say, you know, say I want the judgment come from town. Yeah, man, and she come in a place, man, and every man are tight. You see me? Yeah, every man are tight, man. If G tell me say all him are tight, you know. And me I say, you know, are tight and so I go on, no man not choppy, and him I say, yeah, man. You know, say she selective in how she a give the knockings and thing, and me I say, alright. Say me can get a knock off fight, you know. And me say me stay so boom, because me see she turn up there talk to one nigga. You see me and that style me turn up and me I look down there because me want she say me I look on her. You know? And me stay some woman she look up there and think and me make some woman and call to her and she look away. And me I say, hey, watch her. Look like she no interesting, you know. See me? Yeah. And thing me did it till me see the warrior where she down there talk to the warrior pass me and gone. You see me and but she still stand up down there. So me look down there again and me see she look at me call after her again and she say, you come. And I say, like say she want a par, you know. Yeah. And me stay some woman say, alright, come meet me halfway, man. And she start walk come up the road and me walk go down the road and we meet up. Sit down for one pizza where they were like shop pizza like, and the shop no open door but the pizza there. And me I tell you say in this space of probably 3 minutes or 5 minutes, you know. I want rotted cloth hickey me to put on all on the girl breast, you know, and I say, Jaja, yeah, the girl just a give in to the killer cause. You know what I mean? Me appreciate the way how me well polo down, you know? Yeah, man, from head, but right down to pants, man. And, you know, they have me wallaby clocks, well bazzle. You see me? Yeah, and you look at judgment that give in to me so easily, you know, and thing, and me I tell you, say, oh, me see say little girl want knockings, you know, but however me warrior me there and the warrior having people them up on yard, so me no know no way over there where part me can get to go why I judge me. And at the entire time me no have no care. Yeah, but when me look sideway where part with them, me see one abandon, not abandon us, one house did it, but nobody no did it. You see me? And you know say down there me carry the judgment. Yeah, but me carry the judgment down there. And me notice me see judgment kind of duck one at a time and me I say I was going woman. And she has pint up on one hill. You see me? I say, you know, say the man they way up there so up because me see a man up there plant one rotted cloth bed of cabbage, you know. You see me? Yeah. And the judgment I say, you know, say my father that. I mean I say, hey, Jaja. Anyway, me not even a pray nothing too tough still. Because me I say, alright, a big enough girl. Because she look me I tell her say the girl look like she about 18, 19, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man, and thing, and me I say, alright, to respect her father and things, so, you know, yeah. Me I get on with the show, cause me in the mood. You see me, and my sister, she in the mood too, you know. Yeah, and me stay some woman, me if pull off the girl clothes and now me hear she I say, oh. You know why me come over here with you? So me I say, why? She I say, because me love you. And me I say, no, man. Is either this a girl or is either she mad or she no, you know, she no big enough to understand what is love. You see me? So me I say, what mean say you love me? You not even know nothing about me, you just a see me. You say me true, me love you. So me I say, how old you be? You know, say little judgment I tell me say she at 12. I said, Jesus Christ, what you say to me, little girl? She say, yes, she at 12. I said, man, little girl come go on to school. He come like a prisoner, I said me. You know, the little girl I tell me say, yeah man, she want me to do it, man. You see me? And I say, no, me can't do it. You are underage. You see me? Yeah. Me I say, you are underage, little girl. You have to go on back to school, man, and thing. And she I say, just do it, man. You see me? And I say, alright. Me go do it, you know, but me no have no condom. I go get one condom from me dog. And she a say, you know, say you're general. You saw you hear them sinking. You not come back, you know. And I say, yeah man, me a come back, man. And I tell her, say, me go up on my warrior there and I say, charge it. You know, say, you could get a 12 brother underage. And the charge, I say, oh, you know, and I say, yo, she tell me, say, she a 12 bad man. You see me? And the dog I tell me, say, you know, say, a bag of man in the community, where I charge it. I say, no, sir. Me know the funny father. You see me? Yeah. And to my surprise, me people. Me lift up from there, you know, say my dog I tell me, say, in wire the little judgment too. Yeah. He might tell me, say, in the man and in the same day there. In wire judgment because what? The judgment in the mood, you know, and even though she never interested in give no knockings from when. You see me? But she see me in the day and she feel the need. They have something. You see me? Yeah. And me turn her down and I did the warrior. She see in a reach and the warrior wire it. And me I say, you know, say I want old dog boy. Yeah. Because you wire the judgment, you know, say she had 12 prison work. See me? Yeah. So, me I tell the people, them say, man, when you have your little 12, 13, 14, 15-year-old or 16-year-old, you know, man, you have to be careful, you know, you have to watch them because you have some old dragon out there, you know, man, where you put on it on them, you know, believe me. There's some man who put on it on them because watch out for little girl, them start encounter. Grind. Jesus Christ, when time anybody in a heat. Anyway, the man they have to find it. You see me? Yeah. So at that, me I say to the people, them say, man, who do you see a man? That's why you see some woman, you know, man. Kill all some woman, you know. You ever watch all some African show yet, man? Yeah, you watch some African show and see some woman in it, me I tell you, man, say, oh, if a girl ever cross the man part of death, I tell you, some science with them fling. Don't talk about it, man. You see me? Yeah, so that's the thing, me people. Blessed love. You know the vibe.